Ephesians chapter 5 from verse 22 to verse 33. The woman them we have husband must humble themselves and do what them husband say them for do, just like how them would have humble themselves and do what Christ Jesus said them for do. Them for do this cause the husband at the head of the wife same like how Christ Jesus at the head for the church. Him are the one we save the church and the church a firm body. Same like how the people them when make up the church humble themselves and do what Christ Jesus said them for do, as same so the woman them for humble themselves and do what them husband want them for do. No, the husband them for love them wife, same like how Christ Jesus loved the church and dead pon the cross feet. Jesus gave up him life pon the cross so that he could have make the church clean and set her one side for God. And the good news were powerful that he take wash her and make her clean. Christ Jesus do this so him could have give up him church to himself like one group of people will look well good. One when have no dirty spot, no wrinkle or not like that, but one way good and clean and no have no fault at all. I see him so husband for love them wife. See him like how them love them own self. The way how him love him wife show say him love himself. Cause people not hate them own body. What them do? I feed and take care of themselves. Same like how Christ look after we when make up him church. Him do it cause we a part of him body. Sake of that, one man will leave him mother and father yard and go married to him wife, and the two of them together are go come in like one somebody. It's hard to understand what them say I mean. Matter of fact, when me talk about it so, nobody never know about it before. But God make we know about it now. Me talk about Christ Jesus and him church. But right now still, me tell the husband them say, them feel love them wife just like how them love themselves. And the wife them feel respect them husband. Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.